Hello, we are from Group 1. We'll present a video about the numbers and operation. And before that, I will introduce my group members. My group members consists of Deva Parina, Sulfiana, and the last member is Wahyuni Lestari. And our lecturer is Mr. Febrian. Okay, our topic is about numbers and operation. Please enjoy it.
So, I will start my presentation. The first, I want to explain you about number. Number is a mathematical object used to account, measure, and label. Two kinds of activity made or and sector develop number, cardinal and ordinal number. The first, comparing their things, which one has more elements, and the second for getting other. Angka adalah suatu objek matematika seperti yang kita ketahui ini, yang seperti yang sudah kita ketahui bahwa angka digunakan untuk mengukur, menghitung, dan banyak lagi. Secara umum angka dibagi menjadi dua, yaitu angka kardinal dan angka ordinal atau cardinal number. The first, cardinal number atau angka kardinal are number that describe the mass or number of objects. So, jadi dalam angka kardinal ini digunakan untuk mengukur atau menjumlahkan. Contohnya itu, example, I have 3 apples. 3 adalah 3, yang dimana 3 adalah jumlah dari apples. So, angka kardinal ini seperti yaitu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, dan seterusnya. Yang kedua atau the second itu ada ordinal number. Ordinal number is number that indicates the rank, order, rank, or indicate the position of a thing. So, jadi dalam angka ordinal number atau dalam angka kardinal ini biasanya angka digunakan untuk menunjukkan peringkat atau urutan atau tahap. Contohnya seperti tadi saya sudah sebutkan, pertama itu ordinal, kita baca, kita sebut dengan first, dan sekarang ada yang kedua itu cardinal, kita sebut dengan second, dan kalau ada yang ketiga kita sebut dengan third. Seperti
Hello friends, I'm Sulfiana and now I will explain my part. Okay, my first topic is about natural numbers. Do you know about natural numbers? Natural numbers is a number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and without ends. And natural numbers can be divided into two sets. They are odd numbers and even numbers. The example to odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and the others. And the example to even numbers they are 2, 4, 6, 8 and the other. Okay, the next my topic is about whole numbers. If friends have listened of natural numbers, friends will easily understand whole numbers. Why? Because whole numbers are numbers consisting of natural numbers, but whole numbers plus 0. Okay, and the next my topic is about integer. Integers is a numbers that consisting of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. And the example for integer is negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2, and the others. Okay, and the next my topic is about rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction. The example to rational numbers are 2 over 3, 3 over 5, 5 over 7, and the others. Okay, and the next my topic is about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction, such as v. So, irrational numbers are the opposite of a rational numbers. Okay, and the next my topic is about real numbers. Real numbers are made up of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, and the next my topic is about a digit. A digit is any one of the 10 numbers. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I won't give you all example. The example are 3. 3 is a single digit number, but 234 is a 3-digit numbers. They are 2, 3, and 5. Okay, and as we know, in the mathematics, there is the term number position in a numbers. And the picture you are looking at is an example of its number, which is 123,456. And the position of each number you can see on your screen. Okay, and the next my topic is about fraction. A common fraction is a fraction of the form a over b, where a is an integer and b is not 0. The example to fraction is 2 over 5, and 2 is called a numerator of the fraction, and 5 is called a denominator of the fraction. The other example to fraction is 2 over 7, 5 over 9. 5 over 9 in Indonesian is 5/9. And the other example.
Well, here I will explain the next material from Sulpiana. The next material is divisibility. Definition of divisibility. An integer q is divisible by an integer v is not equal to 0 if there is an integer x, so q is equal to v times x. Example, Biritz 12 is divisible by 4. Biritz 12 is multiple of 4. Biritz 4 divided 12. Biritz 4 is a factor of 12. Why 4 divided 12 is divisibility? Because 4 divided 12 is divisible and the result is 3. Because 3 is an integer 3, so that 12 is equal to 4 times 3. The next material is common divisor. In mathematics, the common divisor is known as FVB. FVB in English is known as the greatest common divisor, or GCD. Definition of FVB. The largest common factor, or FVB, of two numbers is the largest positive integer that can divide the two numbers. Example, FVB of 12 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are divisor of 12. 1, 3, 5, and 15 are divisor of 15. 1 and 3 are common divisor of 12 and 15. 3 is the greatest common divisor of 12 and 15. The GCD of 12m, 12 and 15 is 3. The next material is prime number. Every number is divisible by 1 and itself. This factor 1 and itself are called improper divisor. Example, number 17. The number can only be divided by 1 and the number 17 itself. So, the number 17 is a prime number. The next material is common multiples. In mathematics, this common multiple is known as the KVK. The KVK in English is known as the least common divisor, or LCM. Example, KVK of 4 and 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are multiples of 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 are multiples of 4. 5, 10, 15, 20 are 4 first multiple of 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are 5 first multiples of 4. 20, 40, 60 are common multiples of 4 and 5. 20 is the least common multiple of 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. And the next material, operation. In mathematics, there are types of operation, namely addition itu pertambahan, subtraction itu pengurangan, multiplication itu perkalian, division itu pembagian. Apart from operation, there are symbols in number operation here.
Okay, friends, and now our group will give you all about 3 examples of a operation. Keep watching. Number 1.
We continue the example problem. Contoh soal yang pertama itu ada di sini. 2 ditambah 3 itu sama dengan 5. Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa baca dengan 2 is added by 3 is equal to 5. Atau 2 plus 3 equal 5. Atau 2 and 3 is 5. Nah, di sini kita tidak hanya yang atas sama yang atas aja, bisa juga dengan 2 is added by 3 equal 5. Bisa juga dengan 2 and 3 is equal to 5.
Number 2.
Baik, selanjutnya kita lanjut ke contoh soal yang kedua. Nah, contoh soal yang kedua yaitu ada di sini. Contoh soal yang kedua yaitu 10 dikurang 4 itu sama dengan 6. Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa baca dengan 10 is subtracted by 4 is equal to 6. Atau kita bisa baca dengan 10 minus 4 equal 6. Atau kita bisa baca dengan 10 take away 4 is 6.
And the last number.
Baik, kita lanjut ke contoh soal yang ketiga. Contoh soal yang ketiga itu ada di sini. Nah, contoh soal yang ketiga yaitu 7 dikali 8 itu sama dengan 56. Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa baca dengan 7 is multiplied by X is equal to 56. Bisa juga dengan 7 times X equal 56.
Nah, the last sample question was the end of our group presentation. Thank you for watching.